What's up mga gala? All goods na inyong habibi.
Well, grabe kalipay. And you know the Maayo Hospital are so nindot. And the doctors and the staff and everybody is so amazing. Okay, you know my Sawa, she told me about her experience before. And I was so dili kalipay when she told me about her experience when she had batak before. So I want to make sure this one is the best one. So we got the best doctor. I'm so happy with the doctor. So amazing, all the staff. And we've got all the space and yeah. She's happy. We got food on the way. And Barked is gonna...
For the food because how many hours I don't eat.
Oh. Kaya you're so kusgang like your asawa.
But the baby is more kusgan.
Yeah, the baby's got on the can. So you'll see the baby soon.
Limpyo manggod ni ba ana on na din ha oh. Katuusan na po katuusan na po sa nina dilan. Ato na pong usa dilan. Yay.
Dara.
Na kana po kanina po sa diyan. Si Dylan lang kanuna lang ko. Si Dylan na lang ko. Lang si Dylan. Oh, kau Dylan ayun na butang dia kay ko. Ayaw na ito dia okay. Oh, kau data.
Kana na pilab he.
Kana na po labi abi na be. Manaman ni. Yan yung purol. Kaya naman ni siya ni. Kana na pong kau na pod. Anak. Kanya din sa nang pili ang pagkada sa lima pagkada.